and today I'm having a sleepover with Anaya and Ariana. Yeah, and so we're at this swimming place. Let me show you what this is how it looks like. Wait.
Okay, go.
So, guys, we're at Aldo and we're swimming. And look at the cool tricks we can do. Anaya, stop. Just
Yay! Okay. My goodness, I wish I could do that. 3, go.
We'll see you when the food comes. Here, the delicious food arrived. We have chicken, meat, boga, so many yummy things. Hey guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today, we're going to be making slime. And I'm with Anaya and Ariana. So, guys, it is spring break and we had a sleepover and then now they came to my house. So before this video starts, I have a challenge for you. Can you hit that subscribe button in 5 seconds? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding ding ding. Now let's get on to the video. People keep on laughing. Are the stuff that you'll need. We need soap, we need baking powder and food coloring, a container, and a spoon. So let's get on to making the soap. First, what you're gonna do is we're gonna pour some soap into this container. Ariana, can you pour it? Oh no, just pretend to pour it. Okay, so now after we pour the soap, we're gonna put a little bit of ink. Who's gonna help me put it in? Me. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna speed this up and add some music so that you guys aren't bored watching us. Now we're gonna put in the baking powder. A little bit. There, that's enough for now. And we're gonna mix it. Mix it up. Now, guys, you gotta salt it up. You know, guys, I was kind of just making this recipe myself, so it kind of didn't work out. At the end, it just turned like a Play-Doh. Okay, let Tana Kidogo. Then we're gonna put it in the fridge. Okay guys, now we're gonna put it in the fridge for maybe 30 minutes and then we'll see you when the slime is done. And we're gonna show you what we're doing in that 30 minutes. So guys, we're gonna put it in the fridge. It's so cold. And now you have to wait 30 minutes to an hour. So we'll show you what we're doing in that time. So Anaya and Adriana went to get their mom. She just came. Let me wait until she comes. Here, guys!
Yay! Hi.
Finally! You zoomed in to her, guys. So this is Stella.
Hi.
You should really go subscribe to her channel.
Yes, please do. Stella's Corner.
My turn! Here. What should we do, guys? Should we play makeup? No. What should we do? I don't know. What's gonna... Okay, let's see what we could do. So, we could... They're in here. So we could play makeup. I don't know why I have a toothbrush in there. Or toys. We have toys in here.
I want toys.
Okay, so let's play with the toys. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on our post notifications. See you in the next one. Bye. Watch out for the laugh of the day. It's funny.